Good afternoon and welcome to AAA's most recent Facebook Live. I'm David Bennett.
And I'm Julie Hall.
So today, first day of summer, Julie. Can you believe it?
Hard to believe it.
I know.
Longest day of the year already.
Longest day of the year. It's hard to believe that we're already at the first day of summer. But that just brings into road trips, right?
That's
Summer road trips. It's an American passage. So today we're going to talk a little bit about road trips, and we want to make sure that the car is properly prepped. Make sure that you're prepared to go ahead on that long journey. Then Julie, you're going to talk about a couple different destinations where you're ready to go.
Yeah.
And then we're going to talk a little bit about how to take care of your car after it's taken care of you and you properly wash it.
Sounds great.
So AAA is going to call on about 8 million roadside events this summer. So we're going to be called to go out and rescue about 8 million different people. So to help you not be one of those 8 million people, we want you to make sure that your car is properly prepped. One of the ways to do that is a good acronym is BET, B-E-T. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at your battery.
Right.
When is the last time your battery was replaced or checked? If it's been a while, you want to have it checked. So more than 2 years, especially in warmer climates where where heat is worse for the battery.
Okay.
So if you don't know where to go, you can either call AAA, we'll come out and test the battery. If it's bad, we'll go ahead and replace it for you on site. Or you can go to AAA.com. Auto repair to find the local AAA approved auto repair facility in your area. There's about 7,000 of those facilities in North America. So good bet. Again, thank you for joining us for Facebook Live. My name is David Bennett, and with me today.
Julie Hall. And please leave any questions for us in the comments. We'll be happy to answer those.
Yeah, definitely. We want to hear what you have to say, or if you have any questions or concerns, we'd love to answer those as we go through here. So we talked about the battery. The next one would be there for E for your engine.
Okay.
You want to make sure your belts and hoses are in good shape, so get that vehicle inspected. You want to take a look at your oil, your coolant, all the fluid levels, brake fluid, power steering fluid. If you haven't had those replaced, or if you're wondering when you need to have those replaced, follow your owner's manual. That'll tell you when you need to go through that maintenance schedule. And again, if you don't have a repair facility where to visit, look at AAA.com/auto repair, and you can find one in your local area. So you got battery, you got engine, next one is tires. So you want to make sure that you have your tires are properly inflated and they have good tread. So we talked about this in an earlier Facebook Live, and one of the things you want to look at for tread is you want to take a look at the tread, and there's 2 ways to do that. And one is the old misnomer, or what the old school was, is your Lincoln's head on a pen. Okay. So if you put it in upside down and you see Lincoln's head, it's time to replace the tires. Well, at that point, right before a road trip, you don't want to know that you want to replace the tires, so hopefully you're going to do this beforehand. The latest one that we recommend, that AAA recommends, is using an importer.
Okay.
Stick it in upside down in the tread, and if you can see Washington's head, it's about 40 to 30 seconds left on the tread, and it's time to start pricing and getting and looking for a good deal on tires.
Okay. So it buys you a little more time.
It buys you a little more time. She's on a roll today, so I think that's a good thing to do. And of course, you want to have the vehicle inspected a couple weeks before your road trip. You don't want to do it the day before. As you said, it's for packing.
That's for packing day.
That's for packing, exactly. The other thing is tire inflation. You want to make sure your tires are properly inflated because that's going to help your gas mileage, but it'll also help the vehicle performance on the road. Okay. So you want to get your tire pressure. You want to get that off the placard inside your driver's side door. Don't use what's on the tire.
And does the tire inflation differ during the summer when it's hotter out?
It does not. It does not. You always want to. Your best bet is to set your tire pressure when it's in the morning,
okay.
when the tires are cool. So before they get hot and the air inside your space. So you want to do it first thing in the morning. Okay. So the last thing that doesn't include my BET would be wiper blades. You know, you don't want to find that you have a bad set of wiper blades as you're driving along and you hit a rainstorm and you can't see them. So if you haven't had your wiper blades replaced in about a year, you want to have them replaced now or before you head out on the road trip. If not, and if you haven't been replaced recently, you should clean.
Okay.
Soap and water with a good rag, just wipe it down. So those are some good things to make sure that your vehicle is properly prepped before you head out. And I think the other thing is having an emergency kit. Always good to have. It has some minor hand tools. It also has a flashlight, some blankets, things like that that you may need in case your vehicle breaks down. Another good thing to have is bottled water and some snacks. Those are always good things to have.
You want those for the passengers anyway, but also in the emergency kit.
Yes, very much so. So good things to have there. So Julie, the car's ready. I think we're ready to hit the road. Where should we go?
Yeah, so AAA recently conducted a survey and found 100 million Americans are planning family vacations this year. About half of those are going to go on road trips this summer.
Wow. So 50 million people on the road?
That's right, yeah, and that's just family travelers, so that's even more than we expect. So the roads will be busy. There's going to be a lot of people out there. You definitely want to be sure you're packing your patience. It's going to be a lot out there for sure.
Yeah, very much so. So, you got your patience back.
That's right.
So where should we go? Where are some top destinations in AAA's book?
Yeah, so AAA's travel editors have put together hundreds of pre-planned road trip itineraries. You can find them all on AAA.com/road trips. But some of the top ones we've seen our members have really gravitated toward. The top 5, number 1 is a road trip that starts in Vegas and goes through the national parks out there out west.
So you don't stay in Vegas. What state?
You might spend a little bit of time
Okay,
there,
all right.
but then you can go out to the forest.
Okay.
There's the Grand Canyon, Zion, Bryce Canyon, so there's a lot of great things to see out there. Next up on the list is a trip that goes from Northern California to the Southern Oregon coast. You get great views of the Pacific Ocean and the Redwood Forest, so that's a beautiful drive if you want to take your time with that one. Next up on the list is Northern New England, and that takes you through the Berkshires and the Green Mountains of Vermont, so really, really beautiful up there for sure. And then the Blue Ridge Parkway, which connects Shenandoah National Park with the Great Smoky Mountains.
Right. Straight down Interstate 81,
Yeah.
right through the Blue Ridge.
Yeah.
Drive. I've never done it. I highly recommend it.
Definitely. It looks like our members are really enjoying that one.
Good.
And then last on that list, the top 5 is the Black Hills of South Dakota, which takes you to Mount Rushmore, which is a huge bucket list destination for many families.
Wow.
And you can see a lot of the theme there is national parks. Those are the top destination for families.
So what are some of your top destinations? Where do you recommend to take some road trips? Put them in the comments section, share them with some of the other viewers here. So you've listed AAA's editors. What about you, Julie? Personally, where do you like to hop in the car and head out?
So for me, I was born and raised here in Florida. It's very flat, not a lot of elevation. So for me, I like to see something that's a little more topographically interesting. The Grand Canyon is a huge hit. Grand Canyon and then the Rocky Mountains as well.
Nice.
Western part 2 days. What about you?
Well, I've been lucky enough as a previous job, I used to drive all around the country, so with AAA. But last year I was able to go out to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, see the Grand Tetons and the Yellowstone National Park. So gorgeous area if you get a chance. A lot of wildlife as you're driving along. We saw moose, we saw bison along the side of the road as you're just driving. You're just kind of freaked out. But I think the big thing there was I was focused on the road. So I think that's a key as you're driving down the road. As the driver, you want to be the one driving, focused on the road, allow everybody else to take pictures, share them with everybody on social media.
Yeah, you definitely want to designate your passenger, maybe your official navigator, text messenger, all of that, so you can focus on driving.
Right. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section. We'll take a look at them. We have one here from Ricky. Is there anything extra I should do to prevent a breakdown in summer? No, I think it's regular vehicle maintenance. You just need to continually make sure that you're following your owner's manual on the proper time to service the vehicle. There's anything that you need to do extra. So, just follow that and make sure the car's properly maintained, tires are properly inflated, you have good visibility and everything's good, nothing special that you need to do. So,
One thing you can do though year-round is download the AAA mobile app. You can use that to request roadside assistance, but you can also use it to plan your trip. We have our TripTik travel planner within that, and beloved TripTiks are still available, just in app form now.
but I like flipping it.
You can also get one in print, but
Okay.
we're all digital now. So
That's great.
yeah, you can get that on the app. You can find diamond rated hotels and restaurants along your route, gas prices,
Okay.
most of your trips. There's a lot of great resources there.
Yeah, and I think as you're driving along, there's a couple other discounts available, right? So there's the Shell discount available to AAA members to save even more money on gas.
Yeah, right now, participating Shell stations, you can save on gas, which is huge if you're a AAA member, and that's all available in the app as well.
Yep, along with our normal hotels, restaurants that you can get discounts on. And then if you do break down, you can save on repairs at AAA approved auto repair facilities.
Yeah.
So, we've got the car set, we've gone on our road trip, we've come back. It's now time to take care of your car and make sure that you properly wash it. You gotta make sure that it's done its good job getting you there, it's gotten you back. Now it's time for you to do a little pampering to the car. And I think a common mistake that a lot of people make is using common dishwashing soap for the vehicle, or for cleaning the vehicle. I think you need to just use a good good soap that is meant for washing vehicles. It won't be as harmful to the paints. Some other good things to do is to start from the top, work your way down. That's all the dirt comes down. That way you don't have to do double work, double washing. Make sure that you do the car washing in the morning or late in the evening. It's not as hot, but then the water doesn't dry on the spot. Again, you're not doing things double.
As fun as it is to wash your car, you don't necessarily want to do it again.
Exactly. It is very therapeutic too. So also use a different sponge for the vehicle itself versus the tires. You don't want to cross-pollinate those. So we have another question from Jim. Do I have to dry off my car after washing? Yes, I think you want to take the time to dry it off. You've spent all this time washing it, getting the dirt, the grime, the bugs off. You want to go ahead and make sure that it's dry and you don't leave it with water splash. I think, when you're talking about discounts, a good thing to know is if you have any, if you're looking for car wash supplies, you're looking for wiper blades, our friends at Napa, you can buy parts. They offer AAA members 10% off, whether or not you can get it by online or in the store. So visit our friends over at Napa. So we've basically got the car prepped, we've got it clean now, and we've taken off, or we're ready to take off. So what did we miss?
Music.
We're missing music.
Right?
We gotta have music. So we want you to share with us and share with the other viewers what is required on your playlist. So Julie, start us off. What's on your playlist?
So for me, I'd have to say anything by Red Hot Chili Peppers or Dave Matthews Band.
Oh, okay, so you're rocking out the whole time.
I love it, yeah.
I do, and I love both those bands. I'm going to go a little bit different.
Okay.
But here, let's share with some of the viewers did before I reveal mine. So it looks like we got the Zach Brown Band, Bob Marley, the Double X, a couple songs on the road again. You got to have it.
Yeah.
Life is a Highway, always a good one. And then this one's required, I think, if you're driving through the state of Alabama, right?
Sweet Home Alabama.
Sweet Home Alabama. If you're going through the state, I think,
It's
whatever.
required listening.
It is. And more likely, if your radio station automatically goes to it when you hit that state line, I'm not sure. For me, I would say it's, I like the Foo Fighters, so I'll stay with the rock theme with you. I'll go a little more mellow at nighttime, or maybe early morning with some James Taylor. A little acoustic James Taylor, or maybe some live. So it's good, keeps me awake, keeps me focused, which is pretty important. So we want to thank you for joining us today. Julie, great job with some of the good places to visit as we're driving along. We want to make sure that you're safe out there. So make sure that you're focused on the road, you're not driving intoxicated. Don't be taking pictures, things like that. Leave that over for the passengers. Make sure the car's properly prepared for this road trip. If you don't know where to go, AAA.com/auto repair. You can find a list of 7,000 AAA approved repair facilities throughout North America. And then if you want to know where to get the list of the road trips.
Yeah, that's at AAA.com/road trip. So a lot of great resources there on the website.
So thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll get to them a little bit later. Also share your favorite roadside or road trip destinations and also your favorite bands and music. Maybe Julie and I can broaden our horizons with some of this music. So
this weekend, maybe we'll do an impromptu road trip.
Oh, there you go. So on behalf of AAA, my name is David Bennett.
And I'm Julie Hall. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Drive safely. Thank you.
Yeah.